Okay, Jacob just took some few steps. Let's see if he can do it again. Ready, Jacob?
You got it.
Come on, Jacob, just show what you just did.
He's like, hold me.
He's questioning himself. Oh my God. I'm scared. I was out of excitement, Jacob. That was out of excitement. Oh my goodness. I hope I caught that on because I was trying to watch him and record at the same time. Let's do it again.
His head's too heavy. Move forward. Come on, move forward. Come on, you got it. Come on. The ball.
Oh my God! It's just his head's too heavy.
Yes, that's good. I'm sweating. He's having it on.
Is he doing that? Oh my God! Yay, Jacob! Oh.
Oh, you had a side view, huh? That's why. Tom?
Jacob!
Throw the ball between your feet. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Jacob!
He's getting tired.
He's getting a workout.
He grabs onto to my hand. He's like, hold me.
He's like mentally preparing himself for it.
Yeah.
He's like making sure your hands are there.
He is. He leans back too much.
Because he's used to the walker.
Nah, I think he's done for now. It was a good progress. Say bye, Jay.
Say bye-bye, Jacob. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.